believe me if I told you this picture sold for $4.37 million? How about this one for a whopping $69.3 million? Welcome to the world of NFTs, the most vibrant sector of the crypto economy. With thousands of different NFT projects, NFTs now account for a significant percentage of blockchain activity, with the Ethereum network being the most active for NFTs. But let's start from the beginning. What is an NFT? NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token, which refers to a unique digital token and is used for a variety of purposes, including tracking the ownership of digital assets such as art, music, or even tweets. Similar to other crypto assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, NFTs are secured by an underlying blockchain that keeps records of ownership on an immutable ledger without reliance on a third party. Current and historic ownerships are publicly viewable and verifiable. The most popular NFTs are usually built on top of a smart contract standard like ERC-721 or ERC-115 on the Ethereum blockchain. Other standards are available, but currently cross-chain compatible NFTs do not exist. However, developers are working on cross-chain bridges, including Bondly Finance, who estimate their Cardano Ethereum bridge will launch in early 2022. NFTs are created through a process called minting, and once an NFT is minted, it becomes a part of the underlying blockchain. Different to cryptocurrencies, NFTs cannot be traded for each other as they are unique representations of digital assets and not mutually interchangeable. Imagine it like this: one Bitcoin will always be one Bitcoin, no matter which of the 21 million Bitcoins you hold, whereas the value of an NFT can change drastically depending on which specific NFT you own. Possible future use cases for NFTs are not limited to art, but also could be applied to areas such as gaming, ticketing, digital identity, fashion, or even real estate. Their unique properties have the potential to revolutionize whole industries, not just those that are blockchain specific.